Hello everyone. In this video we will see an example of frame set. That is, we are going to create a website using the frames. So today we will display a web page for this particular website, and you can see it is a website for a college, and I have included some links over here. These are links, and some information. So let's get started. First of all, how many frames are there? We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you can see that first we have to divide the frames into 3 parts, and the last frame is again divided into 2 different sections. So here first I will use the calls attribute for dividing the frames into 3 parts. So I will give the percentage as 30 percentage, then 20 percentage, 10 is enough, and rest of them for the third frame. And the third frame I am going to divide into 20 and 80 percentage. So let me save it and just see the output. Okay, there is some mistake. Yes, here I have to make it as rows, and here I want to make it as calls. Okay, sorry, in here I have to include the pages, isn't it? Here I have to include one more frame, and now it's fine. Yes, now we have got the design, isn't it? Outline is somewhat similar to this. Now in the first frame we will give the heading. In the second frame we will give the new admission started as marquee, and in the third frame we will give some links, and in the last we will display one image. I think it would be better if we reduce the size of the first frame, isn't it? Okay, let me just change it. Just 20 percentage. Okay, 20 percentage is enough. Now in the frame SRC, I have to give the location of the web page which contains the title of that college. So before creating that title, let me just name it as college name .html and save it. Yes, the page is not existing, so we have to create that page first. So I will go to this folder, create a new document with the name college name. Why I am giving same name? Because in the frame SRC I have given the name as college name, and here I will write the code for displaying the college name. So let's just speed up with the basic information, and okay, I will give the college name in using the h1 tag. and I will give it as ABC College, New Delhi. Close the H1 tag, close the body tag, and finally close the HTML tag. So let me just save it as college name dot html. Whatever the name you are giving here should be given in the src tag also, attribute. Okay, so this is the frames. Let me just check whether it has come. Yes, now the college name has been appeared. Now we want to display the color also. We have to give the color. So where I can give this color, I can specify with the bg color attribute. Bg color means background color, and it is blue color. Okay, okay, bg color is not working. Let's try with some other format like style equal to background color, put colon and then blue. Okay, I think we have to save it again. File, save as college name.html. Yes. So we can also check whether the background color is coming here. Well, the color has not come yet. Okay, so once again let's check it out. File, save as college name.html. Yes, and now yes, we have got the color also. Okay, and we can also apply this fonts. We can change this font color also using the same method. We can just select from here, Control C, and right Control, and just remove this background because we only need color here, and we will give the color as white. Okay, so now it is similar to our website. Next, we have to create the second page, isn't it? So in the second page we have to add one more page here for the new admission started. So let me just copy the same code and then open a new file and let me change, and the background color here is pink. Okay, I will change the background color into pink. And now here we don't require this line, isn't it? We will use the h2 tag, and we don't require this heading also. Now I have to write like new admission started. New admission started 2023. And it is in italic, so I will give the I tag here. I tag close and save it as frame2. Let me save it as frame2.ht. Sorry, I have to save as frame2.html. Okay. And since I have given frame2.html there, I will give here as frame2.html in the src attribute also. Okay. Now again let's check. Yes. And now I want this new admission started as a moving text. So we can just use the marquee tag, isn't it? So before this, let me include the marquee tag, which is used for moving a particular text. And now you can see the text is moving. Okay. Now in the third frame, I have to include the details like home, about us, courses, contact us, and it is in the form of a list, and at the same time it is a link. So I have to create one more page for that. Go to new page and I will name it as details. You can give any name but something meaningful. And here I will change only these details, and the background color is yellow, so I will change here as yellow. And then I want to create the list, isn't it? So I will use the li tag. Oh, before that it is an unordered list, so I have to use the li ul tag. And what are the details that we have to include? They are, first one, the li home page. So I will write as home, li close, and we have 4 list items. So 4 times I will repeat these tags and just go to this place and change the content. About us, and here the courses, and last one, contact us. So remember students, while creating a website you can use your own design. You can use any format or any style for creating a web page. It is according to your wish. And let me save it with the help of before that you should close the UL tag. Please be careful while writing the code. Even a single mistake will give us incorrect answers. Details.html. Okay, and in the frame page I have to give that, isn't it? It is in the third frame. I will give details.html. Saved it, and again each time you have to save it and check the output. I think there is again some mistakes. Okay, so the location has been changed. Okay, this is the location actually. .html. And now again we will see. Okay, we have got this list and the font size is very small. So what you have to do is just increase the font size by using the font tag. You can just include the font tag. Font size equal to 10. Control S. I have to close also font. Oh, this font is very much large. I think we don't need this much big. I will reduce it to 5. Okay, this is enough. Now this home, about us, there we can make it as a link. So what I can do is using the A tag I can give it as links. After using li, include the A tag, and here you have to give the href attribute, that is the reference page, and whatever the location of that page is there, it should be mentioned here, and close the A tag. We will copy the same thing over here. And again save the file, Control S, and refresh the button. Yes, now you can see that it is a link. When I click the link, it should move to the next page, and we have not created that page, so it is not moving anywhere. And but this is a link actually, and you can create that page also. And in the fourth frame we have the image. So this image, whatever the image is present in your system, you can display it. For time being I am displaying this image. So for that again I have to create a new file. With the name image. And write the code for the same. So let me just change here image and the background color was blue, so I will give the blue color here, and here I have to display the image using the image tag, and in the src you will give the location of the image. So you know how to give an image, isn't it? Go to properties and copy the entire location and paste it over here, and change this slash, and here you have to give the name of the image plus the extension. So it is in the PNG format, so I will give it as disney.png. Close it, and let me specify the height and width of the image. Close the image tag and save again. So again we will see the we have not given image.html in our main page, isn't it? It is in the fourth frame, so we have to specify here image.html, and now okay, you can see the image here. If I want to display the image in the middle, I can give the align tag, isn't it? Align equal to center. So let me just give it align equal to center, and increase this size also. Save it and check the result. Okay. So our image size has been increased. Now you can see that whatever the design we have seen here, it is similar to what we created, isn't it? So this was our plan and almost similar to this website. So this is how we can create a website or a web page. So now this is a simple web page. To become it a website, we have to create these pages. So how you can create is like, for example, in the about us page, I want to display some information. So you have to take a new file again, and I have to give that. For example, I have table here, so let me just give this location. Okay, for time being I will give this location, over here, the table.html. So when I click that about us page, it should move to that table. Yes, and now it is displaying the whatever the table is there in the same window. Suppose I want to navigate into the fourth frame, then I should give name for each frames. That is, while giving the frame, defining the frames, we can give one more attribute like name and give the name for each frames like this. Name equal to F1. It is a reference for that frames. And here also control V. So I have given names for each of the frames like F1, F2, F3, F4, and whatever the links I have given over here, I can just use the target and give the names of the frame where I want to display. And now you can see that when I click about us, the result is present in the fourth frame because I gave the target as F4, which is the reference name for the fourth frame. So I hope it is clear how to create a web page. You can generate your own web pages or create your own web pages with your ideas. So if there is any doubt, you can inform in the next session. Thank you.